In this video, I'm going to create address service interface and address service interface implementation. So I'll go into service package and then create new interface, and I will call it address service interface and click on finish. And I will add one method at this moment to this interface, and that is to return list of addresses. And to be exact, it needs to be list of address DTO. So we'll create address DTO, which we already have, get addresses, and it will need to use the string value of public user ID. So that's going to be user ID. Let's import list. Now let's import address DTO and let's format our source. Okay. Another method that we will add a little bit later into this interface is to get address by address ID. But now all we need is to get list of addresses. Now let's go into service implementation package and add implementation for this interface. I'll copy address service interface name and I'll create new class. I'll call it address service implementation that will implement this interface. I'll select it from the list, okay, and click on finish. And we have address service implementation that implements address service interface, and we have already one method. Now let's go to user controller and let's auto wire this address service into our controller class. So I'll scroll the way up here and we will auto wire it like this. And let's import address service. Okay, and we should have that error go away. Yes. Now let's switch to address service implementation class and add the implementation business logic.